day. When the shades are drawn and the shadows shine, unless you know the magic word, said but often heard, about to live then spin around 3 times. On a honeymoon, my husband sat still, with a look in his eyes and a pen in his left hand. He wrote the varnish, the magic word, said but never heard. He shook me then slumped backwards, dead asleep. In the sun by the umbrella stand, I'm making every single unreasonable demand. I covered my head, went to the office pool. I lived in Reverie so cool, and asked the crow reviews if there was something they wanted to bring up. Thanks for asking, yes it's true. We've been waiting for you. Oh, we've been waiting for you. Persuade your husband he should stay at our disposal for today and take down everything we say about the new school bus assistant stuck in charge. Leaving 7 sleeping children in the seats in a chat, and just by air conditioning. And so I went back up to our room, and I told my husband to sit down on the end table, and that he was getting very, very sleepy. And when the lights went out, I put the pen back in his left hand. It faces 8:31, the 4 faculties are done, but the principles are some. The sort of period, if you look, is like the bishop in the book, or so it says in this book. No. About the disco bus assistant stuck in charge. I live in 7 sleeping children in the seats in a chat, and just my air conditioning. And don't forget the imaginary map of the manifestations of, oh no, murder making, home by the undertaker's office, otherwise known as the cadaverous cosmeticians. A local number dead as a doornail in a church mouse's chin. Or so said the bird child I sent away to New Mexico for. It's made by a special commission of Navajo basketball coaches. And all the blonde ladies in my head. One of those blonde ladies had a certain hold on me. I went out to seminars by the airport in the Doubletree. I even had these nephews, she played in the Bahamas for free, but she means nothing to me now. I tell myself every day, she means nothing to me now. I tell myself every single day, I'm quite convinced I escaped to sway. Put on my clothes with eucalyptus juice. I ripped out the floors, I painted all the platforms, pews, and now it's about to sacrifice a second snake to do. But she means nothing to me now. I tell myself that every day. She means nothing to me now. I tell myself every single day. I'm still convinced I escaped to sway. But when she smokes in the moonlight on the Mason March, does she kick up a thunderstorm when she thinks it's my betrayal? nothing to me now. She means 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 nothing to me now. Thank you. Good night.